So guys, before we start, you're going to need an SD card adapter, SD card to USB-C. So your SD card will be plugged in here, and then this end will go into your Steam Deck. Just go on Amazon or eBay and then type in SD card to USB-C adapter. Any one of these should work, check out the reviews. If you want to get the one that I got, it's this one, the Ugreen SD card reader. This video is not sponsored, I just randomly chose this one and it works for me. So guys, for the first step, you want to format your new SD card with the Steam Deck. I've already done it, but in your case, you want to take out the old SD card and then you want to put in the new SD card. Now we're going to turn on our Steam Deck. Now once you're on our Steam Deck with your new SD card inserted, you want to click on the Steam button, go down to settings. We're going to go down to storage. And you want to format your new SD card on the Steam Deck. I've already done it, but in your case, just format it. So click on Y once this comes up, and then it's going to format it for you. And now once you format that new card, now we're going to go to desktop mode. So we're just going to click on the Steam icon, go down to power, and then switch to desktop. Next, you want to grab your SD card adapter with your SD card. Here's mine right here. Here's my SD card. Put it in right here. And now once we're in desktop mode, you want to set up your SD card adapter with your SD card. I'm now going to connect it to my Steam Deck. It goes in right here, like so. It's now connected and it's now appeared right here. Once this comes up, you want to select Mount and Open. And you should now be seeing all the files on your old SD card that's connected to your Steam Deck with the adapter. Just highlight over everything using the trackpads, and then do a right click using the left bumper, and then copy. Now in the bottom left, we're just going to scroll down. You want to find your SD card, the new one. It should appear right here. Just click on it. I've already done this, but in your case, you just want to right click on the blank space using the left bumper and then click on paste. This will then paste all your games into the new SD card. That's how you do it.